Your car won't crank but the lights work? Don't call a tow truck yet. Try this first. First, check the battery. Make sure terminals are tight and clean. Check voltage if you can. Loose clamps can stop a crank. If it still won't crank, go to step 2. Locate the starter relay in the fuse box. Pull the relay straight up. Identify pins 30 and 87. Match them on the socket. Use a proper fuse jumper wire. Briefly connect pins 30 and 87. Do not hold it. Just a quick test. If the engine cranks now, the relay is bad. If not, the issue may be elsewhere. Replace the relay first. It's cheap and easy. Test again after installing. If it still doesn't crank, the ignition switch or the starter could be the issue. Never leave it jumped. This is a quick test only. If this saved you a tow bill, like and subscribe to AutoClinic. What do you drive? Toyota, Nissan, Ford. Drop your year, make, and model. Did it crank after the test? Stay safe and wrench smart.